Volvo created the 3-point seatbelt and saved millions of lives. Now they are doing it again, introducing the all-new MDS seatbelt, a next-generation safety innovation that could soon be inside your car. So how does it start and how does it actually work? Let's break it down.
Volvo EX60 brings together some of the most advanced safety technologies ever engineered in a Volvo, redefining what intelligent protection truly means. If the system detects a potential collision, the EX60 reacts instantly. In milliseconds, it calculates the safest and most controlled response. For example, if a pedestrian suddenly steps onto the road, automatic emergency steering can smoothly guide the vehicle around the obstacle, maintaining balance and stability. In other situations, the safest response may be powerful, controlled emergency braking, reducing speed as quickly as possible to avoid or minimize impact. But the truth is, not every crash can be prevented. That's why Volvo studies real-world accidents in extraordinary detail, analyzing how impacts happen, how forces travel through a vehicle, and how injuries occur. Using this data, Volvo designs advanced crash tests that replicate complex, real-life scenarios, going far beyond global safety regulations. One such test simulates a vehicle running off the road and striking a narrow, solid object like a tree or pole. At the moment of impact, the EX60's body structure is engineered to absorb and redirect crash energy, protecting the reinforced safety cage inside the cabin. During a run off-road event, the vehicle's movement and restraint systems work together to help position occupants more safely before and during impact. And this is where the new multi-adaptive safety belt makes a major difference. This system understands the occupant in real time, analyzing seating position, body size, posture, and even the type and direction of the collision. It then adjusts belt load limits accordingly, delivering protection tailored to that specific person and that specific crash. The EX60 represents a significant step forward in automotive safety, combining decades of crash research with next-generation sensing and structural engineering.